I hear it going full throttle. What the heck?
Oh! I thought we were doing a test run. You must really trust my bolts.
Oh, sketchy!
That is awesome!
Feel the energy in your chest!
Psycho machine! The previous person who stole this bike.
The previous person. That makes it sound like you stole it again, Will. Better be careful how you say that.
Well, the person who stole this bike before I acquired it took the stator and like all the wiring to it away. That's way more substantial than the last one. The X6R rear brake, so it definitely will stop this little tiny tire. This is a momentous moment for us. The Ruckus is all apart, and it looks very simple now. It's crazy.
Cameraman Steve.
Yeah.
What if it just worked perfectly first try? No tuning required, no rewiring required, just work.
This is... In this garage, it's even scarier.
There's more room for it to echo.
And you can feel it in your feet.
Yeah.
That's scary. This is the second motorcycle I've ridden since I got ran over by a truck on my motorcycle. So, it's kind of nerve-wracking.
How's the rear brake work?
Not at all.
Okay. Huh.
What?
I'm glad you did that now before you actually needed it.
I adjusted the throttle position.
It doesn't like that.
Oh, what's the stability? It looked a little squirrely.
Very squirrely.